Cats, welcome back to Music Education for All. Today we're talking about VCV Rack and getting sound into VCV Rack using a microphone. This would be great for acoustic instruments, and so let's get right into it. I'm sure you know what VCV Rack is already, so we are looking at 4 modules here. They're all free, and if you want this patch, I could send it to you. It should be pretty simple to set up. And this is just a good test to start with. For me, I'm mostly playing saxophone, flute, gongs, and some other instruments too into the microphone. But I just want to go over how I set this up really fast. So to start with, we have this audio module, and I selected my Scarlett 2i2. So that's what I'm using for my audio interface. And just to be clear, what I have going on is my Shure SM7B, which is plugged into a cloud lifter, and then it's plugged directly into the 2i2, and the 2i2 is plugged into the computer via USB. I'm sure you're all familiar with that. So we first we're going to go out from the left channel into the left channel. This should give you a stereo, or it's mono, but it'll go to both headphones. You should be using headphones to start. We have left out going into this in of this mixer. I have it muted right now. And then the left channel and the right channel, this is out. Left out and right out, and this will go to these 2 channels, and you can see that I've selected the Scarlett 2i2, 1 in, 1 out. You can also select 48 kilohertz or 44, whatever you want. I'll leave that up to you guys. Bit rate. I'm not as versed to modular as you guys know. I'm pretty new to it, but I've been dreaming about this for a long time. So this is my test, and I want you guys to try it. This is I forgot to mention, this is a reverb. The Plateau Valley reverb. It's very beautiful, and it's a nice place to just start. And this is all I wanted to show you today, because it took me a long time just to get here. There's a lot of videos about this online on YouTube here, and some of them are very complex, and I just thought I'd like to make one very simple video and just show you a test that you can try. So I hope you all are having a beautiful day out there. Give this a shot. Acoustic instruments with modular synthesizers is super cool. There's so much to explore there. So I hope you have some fun with it, and I'll catch you cats next time. Cheers.